Okay, here we have another obsolete form of technology. As you can see in the case, it says RCA, or maybe not. It's all pretty dusty. It's been sitting up on top of a shelf in the closet for quite some time. And what this is a full-size VHS camcorder, as you can see right here. So there it is. It says solid state image sensor VHS camcorder. It's got autofocus, and this is the kind that you sort of hold on your shoulder like this. The battery for it, of course, is totally dead. This is the battery here. God knows if it's any good. And inside the case here you have different kinds of compartments for the AC adapter, power cord, video cable, and VHS tape. These are all your controls for your date, high-speed shutter mode, and this is the viewfinder. That's all your controls for the videotape, your AV out, as well as the earphone jack, and tracking. Tracking is completely manual, and that's the record button. Now, I don't think this has an external microphone jack, so you just have to use the one that they give you. Well, actually it does. Oh, no, it doesn't. Never mind. But this thing is a tank. I mean, it is really made very well. It's also a switch there for auto and manual focus, auto iris, macro mode. Really not much more to it. I have no way to really test this or put any videos with it on YouTube. There's no way for me to do that. But I'm pretty sure it would still work if we were to recharge the battery, which would probably take forever. I wouldn't be surprised if the battery was toast for it. But this is just a quick video, a quick overview of this. There's no date on it or anything, but I think this is from around maybe the early 90s, I think 1991. So it's a very interesting piece of technology here, which, you know, I know there are a lot of camcorder fans out there on YouTube that, you know, like seeing this kind of stuff. So it's also got a very nice case to it. Also, it's hard plastic. The case is a tank as well, and you can see it's pretty dusty. So that's the RCA solid state image sensor full-size VHS camcorder from around 1991. Thanks for watching.